Y'all, look at it. Look at our seafood pasta. Shrimp and lobster. I hope y'all try it. I'm gonna try to list the ingredients down below. Hey y'all, today we have a sponsor. This video is sponsored by Bellway. We love a sponsored video. You want to know how Bellway works? Well, it's a super fiber made out of a psyllium husk. It helps clean your gut. It also helps absorb vitamins and minerals. And of course, it makes it comfortable when you poop. And it's not like all those other fibers. They have you gassy. So I'll take this fiber, okay? I'll take 1 scoop and 8 ounces of water. I have 2 different ones. I have a lemon lime one and I also have a matcha lemon. Did you know that healthy skin started from your gut? That's why we have the super fiber plus collagen. So by adding the collagen to the super fiber, it helps detoxify your gut, which is gonna leave you with better looking skin, nails, and hair. Plus the psyllium keeps you staying fuller longer. It also helps eliminate bloating. It helps balance your weight and keep you regular. Bellway is safe to take 1 to 3 times a day. All you need is 1 to 2 scoops of fiber powder into an empty glass. Add at least 8 ounces of water. Mix very well, and if it's too thick, add more water. Remember to drink it immediately. It will thicken if it sits too long. This is very good, y'all. Make sure y'all check out the link in the description box and get you some Bellway. Fun fact, did you know that 30% of the people in the world has some type of indigestive system issue? So this will help you with that. I used to have a problem. I had some type of cut in my gut. I was on a clear liquid diet for a while because it was a tear in my gut. So this is very good for me, especially. So I'm going to take this every day. You can take it up to 3 times a day, okay? Make sure y'all click that link in that description box and order y'all some Bellway today, okay? Support me, you know. We love a sponsor. Show them some love. Show out, damn gang. Let them know, okay? Make sure y'all click that link. Get 20% off if you use code word -20. -20. Get some cash. We always love a sale. Yo, get some cash off at checkout. Check out the other flavors, y'all. I hear that the blueberry is very popular. I love the lemon lime. This, I like this. You can make a smoothie with it as well. It's good for the gut. If you're a vegan, we have something for you too, okay? Hope y'all have a great day. Make sure y'all follow Bellway on Instagram. Tell them I sent you. All the information you want to know about the supplement will be in my description box. So make sure y'all check them out. All right, y'all, now we're gonna get into today's video. Today's video is going to be a cooking video. So I am watching what I'm eating outside of doing my regular mukbangs or stuff like that. So I like to have something, it's kind of calorie because it's pasta, it's a lot of calories, but it's something that's less fattening than what I normally eat. So we're going to make some seafood pasta salad. Okay, it has lobster tail in it, it has shrimp in it, we have bell pepper, onions, corn, tomatoes, and some Italian dressing. I'm gonna show y'all all the ingredients right now. All right, y'all, so all the ingredients are right here. We have some peppers, we have a red onion, we have spaghetti noodles, we have some Italian dressing. You have to make sure you get the robust. This is a key ingredient. The robust, okay? A bag of sweet corn, cucumbers, We got some cherry tomatoes, the sweet ones. Also got some huge tiger shrimp and lobster tails. The more lobster, the better. I got 3 lobster tails right here. And I got a pound of the tiger shrimp. I'm so sorry, I forgot an ingredient. I'm so sorry. The cilantro. You need the cilantro. I'm gonna put this in the beginning like I ain't forget, cause I'm an editor. I can edit it in. Cilantro. You need the cilantro. I feel like I'm back in Mexico when we was in Cancun. The cilantro. That's how they said it. Cilantro. We got cilantro in the pasta salad. So now what we're gonna do is cut up all of our vegetables. I have some bell peppers I need to cut up, the onions I have to cut up, and the cucumbers, okay? Then, while I'm cutting all this stuff up, I'm going to let my lobster and shrimp defrost a little more. And we're going to just saute this up real quick. Ain't gonna take no time. But, I'm gonna put my water on first. The pasta take the longest. Oh my God. The cilantro got in the water. Sorry. Y'all, on Instagram I had seen a meme when it was like, the best eye on the stove is the front right eye. Who agree? I always use the front right eye for everything. Comment down below. All right, we're gonna get started cutting all the veggies up. Okay, make sure you clean your veggies. We're gonna take the stickers off. Oh, look y'all, this is a new bell pepper. I've never seen it before. It's an orange and a red one mixed. Ain't that nice?
I wish you could freeze something like that.
How did they do that? It got pregnant and had a swirl. All right, y'all, so the water is boiling, so we're gonna put our noodles in. Okay, so sorry, y'all. In here we have corn, we got onions, we got cucumbers, we have peppers. I gotta cut the other peppers, but we got some bell peppers in there. Y'all, I am multitasking over here. I'm doing a reel for IG, but we still working, y'all. I'm just cutting the vegetables. We have more peppers in here now. We got the red ones and we got the orange ones. We got some corn, cilantro, some cucumber. It's so good and chopped up. This is a very healthy snack. It's good for the summertime barbecue. You don't have to do seafood if you're allergic. I would do like some, whatever type of meat, like ham, turkey, lunch meat type things. Really, really good. All right, stay tuned. All right, y'all. So now, all right, y'all. We're back. So now we're gonna chop up this lobster tail and the shrimp. Okay, and we're gonna chop this on up, and we're gonna throw that in the pan and saute it. The only thing that's gonna be cooked is the noodles and the dang on shrimp and lobster. All right, so we're gonna chop this up. Let's go. Y'all, this is the lobster and the shrimp. It's ready to come out already. You don't want to overcook it. It's ready. Yeah.
Didn't put the season on.
Yeah.
That cilantro smells so good and fresh. It smells like real salty.
We don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe. Let's see if I can warm you up. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Just wait. Let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay? Let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby. Don't stop, this is my favorite.
So far, y'all, we added the wishbone.
Like it's out of style. Imagination is running wild. Eternity is in your smile. Babe, snuggle, babe.
Salt, pepper.
Babe, snuggle, babe.
Salt and peppers here, and we're in the fact. We're going to push it back. I don't know the rest of the words. There we go.
I think you have too much food. I see it too. That's pepper.
If you ain't sneezing, it ain't enough pepper. We use a pinch of sugar. Put up all the bitterness.
Don't bother me.
Bitterness.
Baby mama bitterness.
Just wait. Let me drive you crazy, my kind of baby. Wanna stay?
They get the vegetables.
Get stupid lazy, my kind of baby.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Don't feel right. I still wanna party with her. even when it don't feel right. You know I'ma party with her, with her, with her. She be calling on a Monday, wanna meet on Tuesday, asking me to fix me up a nice. She can wait until the weekend, she wants off the deep end, telling me to bring the stuff I like. I don't wanna let her down, so I'm telling her yes. Though I'm kinda down from the pain in my chest, but I'm putting her to now. I'ma feel her right now, happy from the stuff I know she likes. I've been trying my luck every day of the week, yeah. With my baby, what's up? Ay, always down, never weak, yeah. No, I love her too much, but I just can't get enough. She's slipping through the cracks.
Y'all, look at it. Look at our seafood pasta. Shrimp and lobster. I hope y'all try it. I'm gonna try to list the ingredients down below. It's really, really good. Hope y'all enjoy it. One of the things you want to do though is put it in the refrigerator the day before. Like if you want to go out and you're having a picnic on Saturday, make this on Friday. Because the more it sits, all those flavors marinated, the Italian dressing soak off up in there. Bam! You're good to go. Okay? Okay. Hold this for me. Let me do a thumbnail. Stand right in this way. Excuse me. Gotta look into the bowl. You get it? Okay, take it. Alright. Oh, sorry. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone, everyone. Let them know what we're doing over here. We constantly winning. We constantly growing. I love y'all so much. Comment down below if you guys are going to try this pasta salad. Let me know if y'all want some more cooking videos. Thank you again for sponsoring this video, Bellway. I appreciate you guys. I love y'all so much. Peace.